Here we go. cmcdonald ones, box 1112, Panini Titanium. So good luck. Let's get you something massive. Game Gear jersey, Sam Gagner. Sam Gagner, Game Gear jersey. Game Gear jersey, Mats Zuccarello, the Norwegian Hobbit. Game Gear jersey, Sergei Bobrovsky. Just splintered. New Wave autograph, Slava Voinov. Slava Voinov. Yeah, I can feel a bit hitting that last pack. Oh boy, is there ever. This'll do. This'll do just fine. Numbered 8 of 24. Rookie, Matt Reed. Number 8 of 24, rookie, Matt Reed. So there we go. Followed by a Game Gear jersey of Kari Lehtinen. Nothing wrong with that hit. And of course, 1, 2,